Installation first with a punching machine in the desktop to punch a 60 mm line hole, connecting the line through the line hole. The desktop wireless charger placed in the line hole. Connect the power supply to complete the installation. Out to play. Cell phones are becoming an increasingly indispensable part of us. Is our pastime entertainment necessary tools? So the phone out of power always make people very distressed. Now the desktop wireless charger, you can help you solve this problem. You can with the help of the phone case with wireless reception, simple and convenient, to charge your phone. 70% efficient conversion rate can quickly charge your phone. Convenient for you to use your phone. If your phone has a wireless charging receiver device inside, you can directly with the help of charging wireless charger with electroplated shell, efficient waterproof, convenient for table cleaning. Choose desktop wireless charger to make life more cool.